Okay, we've got today our countertop portable dishwasher, and we're going to unbox it and see what's inside. A basket that you can use for washing vegetables or anything in here that needs to be inside of a basket. It comes with the water drain line and a water supply line so that you can hook it up to a water supply. On your dish rack, you've got a spot for silverware. You've got a spot up top that folds for knives. And then you've got your wheels on the bottom to roll in and out. Okay, so it's got a spot here right inside the door where you put your soap. It's got a fill line, or you can put a pod right there. Rack slides out. It's got a light up here on the inside. Water will fill the base. It's got a bottom spray and a top spray. And then this unit's equipped to do baby care, so like bottles and whatnot, if you want to sanitize bottles, fruit or vegetables, and then of course glass and regular dishes. Right here is where you can adjust using your control panel, the speed, the type of thing you're doing, whether it's glass, baby bottles, or fruits and vegetables.